Hey good people, how you doing? I hope you're doing great. So today I'm going to show you that how can you change the timeline frame in Davinci Resolve. Here you can see this is my gaming footage, and unfortunately I have imported it on the timeline in 24 frame per second, and you don't want to do that. It will, if you watch gameplay videos on 24 per second, it will make it awkward. So I'm gonna show you that how you can change this. So here is a very simple and easy way to change it. First, go to your media pool and create a new timeline. Create new timeline. Okay, then name timeline BBB. Okay, then here is a very important thing that you should notice, that here you must uncheck this this area here. Use project settings here. Uncheck it and go to your format and click here 60 frames and then hit and create. Okay, your new timeline is created. Now go back to your old timeline and copy all of them. Just select all and then copy, then go to a new timeline, then paste it over here. Yes, so now you can see that your project is now running on 60 frames per second. Here on the main screen top you can see it. So this is it, how you can change the timeline frame rate. Here also you can export this video on 16 frames per second. Yes, you can see that here is 60 frames per second. So people, I hope you got it. I hope you found this video quite helpful for you, and if this video was helpful for you, please consider to give it a like and subscribe to my channel, because I make Davinci Resolve video a lot, obviously not, but I'm trying to make a lot of videos. So folks, see you the next time. Till then, bye. Bam.